The one and only Kajol, who's now joining us, did play a role of a mother who's diagnosed with cancer as well. But Kajol, you've of course been very actively associated with cancer awareness campaigns, especially breast cancer. Wanted to get your sense of this, and in particular, I know that you feel that Indians tend to neglect some basic things, such as preventive health checkups, physical awareness, just being fit. Indians tend to take that very lightly.
I think the reason that people don't go for regular checkups is because they're just scared. It's fear that drives them. And, I think they just need more education in the fact as to what cancer is. We all have cancerous cells in our body. It's not that we don't, even normal people do, but cancer is when that particular problem becomes out of hand. So before that happens, I think everybody should just go ahead and get a checkup done. It's a simple blood test. You have, these things, etc., which give you your markers, which they call it cancer markers, in blood tests as well. So, I mean, when you go for your routine checkup, just go ahead and get that done as well. It's not a big deal, and it won't be a big deal if you catch it beforehand.
Right. One of the things, Kajol, that's absolutely baffled me through the entire day is the number of people I keep on hearing saying that cancer was a social stigma, including for children. And that's absolutely baffling because, I mean, you can understand why there would be some sort of a stigma or a question, although there shouldn't be, even around something like Ebola, which is more communicable. But cancer is not even, it can't even be communicated from one person to the other. So what do you think we can do to try and remove the stigma and make our society a bit more sensitive?
Sickness in a full sense is considered taboo in rural areas. But I say that the base root of that is illiteracy. And so just read up on it. The more knowledge you have, the better informed you'll be, the more you'll be able to take a better decision on to what you want and what you should do about things like that, yeah.
Right, Kajol, but obviously we are trying to also create awareness. All through the day we're trying to create awareness, so hopefully something will sink in. What's your basic message to this campaign?
The message that I would like to give for awareness of cancer is that cancer is not as scary as everybody makes it out to be. And it's truly, it's an awareness that we need to spread that, listen, it can be controlled, it can be, made better. And the faster you get to it, the faster you're able to eradicate the problem. It's as simple as that.
All right, spread the awareness. Kajol, thank you so much for joining us. Good to hear from you as always.